Hello my loves, my name is Yannick and I am the editor behind Myparisianlife. I've been running Myparisianlife for a really long time now. We just celebrated our 11-year anniversary. Oh my God. And I wanted to try something new this month. Every month I write an article about what are the best things to do in Paris. If you're coming to Paris, I talk about the weather, the best places to eat, drink, and stay. And I decided to do this in a video format. This is going to be done in one take. I have my little notes on a piece of paper here, and we're going to try to make it work. So first up, I want to talk about the weather. As you can tell, I'm wearing kind of a light jacket, but I did have a coat on my bicycle. I cycle a lot in Paris, and people are dressed, well, okay, you can't see anyone there, but people are dressed in coats, just because you can always unlayer after. So if you're planning a trip to Paris this October, I'd say pack a light coat. Or just like a puffer jacket or something that you won't be worried about being cold. Obviously for other reasons, Paris has a lot of cobblestone, so you want to wear comfy shoes if you're going to be walking around a lot, or if you're going to be joining me for a tour. You want to make sure that you're comfy because we get around. All right, so the first thing that I want to talk about is the category of where to eat in Paris for October. There's lots of places. Recently I've been going a lot to Bouillon Pigalle just because the food is dependable. It's traditional French cuisine, and the prices are amazing. And the desserts, I literally die every time I order a profiterole at Bouillon Pigalle. A profiterole is kind of like this massive choux pastry that has like ice cream inside and then poured over with hot chocolate. Oh my God, it's amazing. So Bouillon Pigalle, they also have like vegetarian things on the menu, but it's a lot of meat. I don't eat meat anymore. But it's also one of those places that it's really good to discover what's considered traditional French food. The lines may be a bit long, but it's totally worth it. There's lots of seating. And yeah, so Bouillon Pigalle for the place to eat this month in Paris. And then for drinks. So I discovered the Fitzgerald, which is close to the Eiffel Tower, Fitzgerald cocktail bar. Really super cozy. It's a speakeasy bar, you know, traditional speakeasy drinks, but the staff was amazing. So I highly recommend Fitzgerald for a drink, a night out in the town. And then places to stay. So I've just written a new article on some of the more boutique type hotels or new hotels that's recently opened in Paris. So to see what are some of the places that I'm recommending for you to stay this month in Paris, check that out. And let me know what you think. If you've been to Paris before and you visited any of these hotels, let me know. I think 4 out of 5 of them are new, but go check it out. Places to stay. What's there to do this October? Okay, so lots to do. We have Nuit Blanche, which is the White Night. This video is a little bit late, so this just happened, the White Night festival, which is basically all the museums are open in Paris. Last night I also went to the opening of the wine harvest in Montmartre. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I went to the wine harvest in Montmartre, and that was amazing. So that's going to be going on for the next 2 days. La Fête de Vendange de Montmartre is what it's called. And yes, we do have one remaining vineyard in Paris, in Montmartre, or like 20 official vineyards, but there's one that still produces wine. Not very good wine, won't get into that. But you know, it supports the neighborhood and the culture of having vineyards in Paris still. I'm looking behind me to see if my bag is still there because, you know, Paris has pickpockets. That's going to be another video. Places to have a really good coffee or breakfast. Some of you already know of Claus. Check it out. And if you want something really traditional, kind of like very French, Café de Fleurs, obviously, but then you're really just paying also for the experience and not so much the coffee, because like a coffee I think is like €8. But you know, it's cute to sit where James Baldwin sat when he was living in Paris. Yeah. And then what else do I have on my list? I want to say that I'm creating a list of rainy day museums, just because it's been raining here a bit for the last few days and you might just want to hop in and out of museums while you're here in October. And what else? Ooh, so if you're coming to Paris and you'd like me to show you a mixture of authentic Paris, you know, with really fun touristy things, send me a message on Instagram, or you can send me an email at Myparisianlife. I create semi-customizable tours in the Marais and also in Montmartre. I'm a big history lover. I've been living in Paris for 12 years. Obviously, you guys know that I love to eat and drink, so I eat and drink my way around the city. And also as an event planner, I have like this insider knowledge about a lot of stuff that other people wouldn't have, and I like to share that as well on my tour. So if you're coming to Paris and you'd like me to show you Paris or my Paris, let me know. I also have the Welcome to Paris bags available for sale as well on our website or on Instagram. It's a Welcome to Paris bag with the best of Paris, hand selected and hand delivered, with your choice of red, white or rosé wine, fresh tradition baguette. You get a bottle opener, you're getting all your utensils, you're getting a curated map of Paris, pretty much everything ready to go for a picnic or just a night in on your first night if you're jet lagged. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you like this video, or first, look at this. I purposefully chose to like sit in the sun to get the good light in, but my hand is so tired. I need a new thingy to hold my iPhone. But I hope you enjoyed the information and that it was meaningful to you, and hopefully see you guys for the November to-do list for My Parisian Life. Once again, my name is Yannick, and I will see you guys soon. Mwah. Bisous. Hey guys, it's me again. So I thought I'd do something kind of fun at the end of our video, and that's maybe we can do like a little French lesson. So I want to teach you guys how to ask for the bill in French, and it's really easy. You basically want to say l'addition, s'il vous plaît, which is, may I have the bill please? L'addition, s'il vous plaît. So it's like addition, s'il vous plaît. So it's like l'addition, s'il vous plaît. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. That means, may I have the check please?